Dada, how will I tell my classmate who has a smelly armpit that will not offend him or her?
Very easy. You tell your classmate Joseph, you're watching Spider-Man? And Spider-Man has a motto, right?
Yeah, I don't
With
know.
great power comes great responsibility. Correct? And Spider-Man has the web power, right?
Yeah.
And you tell your classmate, your power is your armpit. You have a smelly armpit. So it's your responsibility to take care of that power. Because if somebody will be hurt with that power, it's your responsibility. So you have to take care of that because you have a power. Your armpit power. Okay? Like that, okay? You tell your classmates, yeah?